Lesson. Makharij number second, please.
You have to say it comes from the chest, and the letters are Hamza, ha, and they're pronounced like this.
Hamza and ha like this. Not Hamza and ha. No. Hamza and ha is come from nearest to the chest. Deeply throat, it means. Yeah? Last part of your throat. They come from last part of your throat. Alright? And completely say Hamza.
Hamza.
Ha.
Ha.
Yeah. Third makharij today we are going to read. The third makharij is the center of the throat. Okay?
The center of the throat.
Yeah. The ain and ha are pronounced from here. They come from center of the throat. Say ain. Good girl. And ha. Say ha. They come from center of the throat. Okay? Makharij number 4. Next makharij. The fourth makharij is the part of the throat closest to the mouth. The ghain. And kha are pronounced from there. Yeah? Fourth makharij, again, listen, is the part of the throat closest to the mouth. Ghain and kha are pronounced from here. Yeah. These are 6 letters, also called throat letters, halqi letters. 3 parts of your throat. Understood? The first one is, we discussed in second makharij, is the part of the throat closest to the chest. Alright? Ha and Hamza are pronounced from here. Understood?
And Hamza are pronounced from here.
Yeah. And ha. Throat closest to the chest. It means deeply part of your throat. Yeah? And third makharij is the center of your throat. The ain and ha are pronounced from here. Repeat.
Ain and ha.
Ha.
Ain and ha.
Yeah.
Are pronounced from here.
Where? Center of the throat.
From the center of the throat.
Yeah. And makharij number 4 is the part of the throat closest to the mouth. Okay? Fourth makharij. And number 3 part of your throat is the part of the throat closest to the mouth. Closest to the? Yeah. The ghain and kha are pronounced from here. Repeat.
Makharij 4 is the throat closest to the mouth. Ghain and ha are pronounced.
Kha inner ha. Kha.
Oh.
Yeah. Are pronounced from here.
I pronounced them here.
Quickly, loudly revise. Good girl.